Hi, this is Jackie Oslutio. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create a user group for maybe just editing a certain set of pages or a single page. So logged in as an administrator, one additional setting on my user group is I've been given permissions by the Slutio staff. So in this here, first I want to go to take note that there's several pages here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then yeah, PTO is its own as well. So there's 7 total categories. I could either give permissions to each individual category, or we could group those together and then the children categories can inherit the parent categories. So I'm going to start by going to Category Manager and searching for anything that's PTO. I think that's what it's called. So here, if you have the permissions accessed, you'll see the permissions tab on this field right here. Actually, before we do this, there's one step we need to do separate from this. That is to go to Users, Groups, and we're going to create or repurpose an existing group to be for PTO. So I'm going to repurpose, by default we created some of the grades in case for a school situation. So I'm going to repurpose pre-K to be PTO. I'm going to save and close. I'm going to go back to my category manager where I have already filtered for PTO. I'm going to search that, and I'm going to find PTO on this list and allow, change the settings to be allowed for all 5 of these categories. I'm going to choose save and close. In these other subcategories, I can either do the same here, allow PTO and change them, or if I make this a child of the PTO category, save that and look back at permissions, these are now inherited. So I didn't change this drop down, but this calculated setting changed because I made it a child of the other category that I already changed the permissions on. So I think this is going to be an easier long-term run. I know our default is to have everything be alphabetical category-wise, but I think this is going to be a good solution. So committee chairs is another one. And type in committee. I know that this one belongs to PTO. And again, I'm sorry, this is messing up the alphabetical order of the categories. But I think managing these pages will be easier. So script and box tops are the other 2. There, and then I'll do this with the last one. Here we go. The next best step would be to create the user and then sign out of your account. So your user is going to need to be assigned to both basic editor and then the PTO category respectively. So you could, again, you could repurpose this one, or you can create a brand new user. User manager, just make a new user right there. I hope that makes sense. Let me know what questions you have. Take care. God bless.